Due to the severe lack of rainfall last year, a lot of home lawns across the state showed severe drought symptoms, and some of which even complete failure. So starting this year at the Extension office, a common phone call that we were receiving is, hey, what is the best type of lawn grass for us to grow as a lawn here in Louisiana, and which is the easiest to maintain? The easy answer to that question is grow a warm season grass type. We have a lot to choose from, and I basically break it down by how much sunlight does your yard receive. So if you get basically all day full sun in the lawn, you've got two great options here. First one is Bermuda grass. When it's fertilized properly, it has a nice dark green color. It's got a really fine texture. Bermuda grass grows very quickly, it recovers quickly, so commonly used as a athletic turf at athletic fields like Tiger Stadium. But you can totally grow it in your home lawn. The next grass that I like to grow in a lot of full direct contact sunlight is centipede grass. Centipede grass does have a lighter green look to it, and sometimes folks think that it might be undernourished, but that's just the natural look of centipede grass. So if you have a lot of full direct sun, Bermuda grass or centipede is where I would start. Now if we have some existing trees in the landscape, or maybe you have a two-story house and there's shaded areas of the lawn, well, we want to look at species that are a little bit more shade tolerant. And what we have there is, the most shade tolerant we have is St. Augustine grass. It's here on the right on the end. It's got the widest grass blade, and it won't grow in the shade, but it can handle a little bit of shade and still look just as full as those sunny areas. A good second to a shade tolerant turf grass is zoysia grass, represented right here by this piece here. Zoysia grass kind of has a bluish green look to it. And the one downside to zoysia grass is the high silica content in the leaves wears lawnmower blades down a lot quicker. So you'll just have to sharpen that lawnmower blade more often growing zoysia. But that's the basics of how I choose a turf grass for my lawn. For Get It Growing, I'm Will Afton with the LSU AgCenter.